Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is Moments When a YouTuber Prankster Finds Out He's Not So Tough. Let's get into the video.
Get out! I'm walking. Get out! Get out! Leave! Are you guys part of a YouTube crew or something?
I'm sure we've all seen those annoying TikTok pranksters who throw items at customers in a store to get their reactions or steal something out of a grocery cart. Well, that's what happened here. A group of YouTuber and TikTokers thought it would be a funny prank to steal from customers' shopping carts at Walmart. The Walmart manager received 5 complaints from shoppers before the police were called. When officers arrived, they attempted to locate the YouTubers who were causing the disturbance. Apparently, the pranksters were coming to the Walmart almost every day of the week, pulling pranks on customers but leaving before law enforcement could arrive.
Is somebody having a problem with some kids or something? Or YouTubers or...
Oh, that was like a couple of days ago, unless they're here now. Did you just get a call for it now? You guys go by the baby doctor?
No, they called it in as it was happening right now.
Those guys are really, really high.
No. Still here?
Yeah, they're about that way.
What's going on with them?
I don't know.
5-1 storm, a couple more.
Officers could hear the pranksters yelling and causing a disturbance from the other side of the store, but let's see how this ends for them.
They are loud. That's crazy.
Jesse, who do you want out?
I guess you were leaving the... No, I'm watching all of us out.
Get out.
No.
All right, turn around. Hey.
No,
How are you going to jail?
I'm walking out.
Get out.
I'm walking out. You're not going to touch me.
Get out.
I'm walking out. I'm walking out. It wasn't get out.
Go.
I'm telling you,
Get
get
out.
out. What? Wait, I'm
Get out.
Wait.
Get out.
See, this is what I don't understand, right? They say, oh, that light-skinned one, what's his name, Sid? Or I've seen his video before, whatever. But yeah, they became famous by doing goofy shit. But anyway, it's like, which one you want out? Oh, I want us all out. They want us all out. Okay, get out. No. Okay, well, you get arrested. And now, oh no, I'm leaving. Like, come on. Like, stand on business. Like, you said no, so go to jail then. Stand on that.
Trespassing.
Don't touch me. We still talking. Don't touch me.
Pepper spray you.
Pepper spray me for what? Why are you touching me?
All right. Put your hands behind your back.
I was getting out. Damn, son, buddy. Go back.
Get out.
Grab my eyes.
Leave, or you're going to. Leave, or you are going to jail as well. Stop. It's just pepper spray. It's just pepper spray.
I was leaving, me. Me, they was talking, bro. Me,
was talking. Leave. You squared up and said no. I can't see my eyes, sir. No, it's pepper spray. I can't breathe. Relax. You can breathe. I need to wipe my eyes, sir, please. It's pepper spray. Relax.
Scary ass niggas, man. You niggas is scary. You hear me? Leave? No. I'm just talking. Okay. Act right, boy. You don't wanna cooperate? Okay. Okay, you think it's a game. You think it's a game. Okay, we gonna show you, boy. We gonna show you. You gonna learn today. You gonna learn some discipline today.
Pepper spray. Relax. Relax. Stay calm. I can't. Y'all killing me, Whoa. What did I do? What did I do?
What did I
can't
do?
see, Whoa. You're being arrested for trespassing. Okay. Y'all didn't give me a trespass warning. Yes, we did. I mean, the guy was talking still. I was explaining the story. He wanted everybody out. Yeah, but I was explaining the story to him. Me and him was talking. It ain't like that. He said, stop. Go ahead and see, please. It ain't like that. I'm just a talker, Whoa. Well, it ain't like that. This is not the time or place to talk. Yes, sir. Oh, sir, look, I can't breathe. Well, sir, please. Okay. You have to help me, sir. I got pepper spray on my face, too. Sir, please, just help my eyes. Well, all I need is my eyes to be wiped. It's pepper spray. Yeah, they're all trespassed. Sir, I can't do it. Well, sir, I have to my eyes. Sir, my eyes. It's so bad. I can't. Please, just wipe my eyes. Just wipe my eyes. It goes away in about 15 minutes. I have pepper spray on me too. Relax. It hurts, but you ain't gonna die from it. Sir.
Rescue's coming. They're gonna wipe your eyes when they get here.
Sir, why do you have to do that? I was being so calm. You don't square up with me. No, you square up to me. Watch the cameras. Watch the cameras. I don't care. There is no cameras to watch. You square up to me. I said leave. You said no. No, squared up to me. I just was trying to explain our story, sir. There was no explanation. This is a private establishment. You do not have a right to be in here. All right, but I understand, sir. Okay, if management wants you, all right, look, stop. Me and the officer was talking. He wanted to explain. He said, "Go, you can watch the whole camera." He said, "I'm explaining to him the whole situation." I came to you because y'all were chasing the other guy, and I wanted to say what's going on. I'm trying to explain the story. I wasn't chasing anybody. I was telling you guys to get out. Sir, I cannot breathe, Whoa. I'm good, Whoa. I'm not giving no problem. I'm not fucking with you, Whoa. I'm not a threat or nothing, Whoa. I just want to talk and be good. There is no talking. Ah, my eyes is burning. Yeah, it's called pain compliance. Stop, relax.
It's called act
right.
right.
Blink, the better it gets.
All I need to wipe is my eyes, sir.
I don't have anything to wipe it with. Rescue's coming for you.
Stop. Dude, it's pepper spray. I can't fucking see.
Now, the only thing that, cops know, bro, like, listen, you keep saying it's pepper spray. Bro, pepper spray is no joke, bro. That's why it's a form of compliance. Like, it's a form of act right. You know what I'm saying? Yo, want act right? We gonna get you to act right. So these cops keep saying it's just pepper spray. Stop saying that shit, bro. Because when everybody gotta get hit with pepper spray in order for you to carry it. Just like with the taser. You know what I'm saying? You get tased to carry it. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, these guys are just saying, oh, it's pepper spray. Stop acting like that, because when you was in the academy and you got hit with pepper spray, you wasn't like, oh, it's just pepper spray. No, your ass was crying, rolling around on the ground, bro. So they know it sucks, bro.
Who was the one I was talking to you?
That's the one for the other foot.
Who was the one I was talking to you?
You were talking to me. That's the one.
All right, sir, why you let pepper spray me? No, I pepper sprayed you.
I don't tell people what to do.
I pepper sprayed you. But wasn't you talking good, though? There was nobody talking good when I walked up. All right, sir, I'm talking to you. Are you related to this? What's up? I can't hear you. No, he's in our custody. He'll be fine. I have pepper spray on me, too.
We have fire rescue on me.
He'll be okay. Are they losing?
I don't hear him.
Are you guys part of a YouTube crew or something?
Sir, the only thing I was doing, was trying to explain to the situation. I don't do no YouTube, no nothing.
They said there was a group of YouTubers in here doing stuff and bothering.
Sir, I got pepper spray because I was trying to explain to you, whoa.
Because you didn't listen. Anything about theft or anything. They said there was a group of YouTubers in here yelling at people, causing a disturbance.
And you guys were asked to leave.
You know how dumb he sound speaking slang, bro? Like, oh, whoa, like, bro, come on, man. Cut it out, bro. Just cut it out.
Said leave, and then you guys, some of you left, some of you
I was
didn't.
not with them, sir. I was just explaining to you,
Doesn't matter.
His group is causing a 22 outside. I'm gonna go back out there. I didn't know he was with you.
Yeah, I'm good. Go.
They're out this door, so if he needs to be seen, then...
This door?
We're gonna go walk. Let me double lock his handcuffs. Relax your hands.
I'm gonna get it.
How do I take this apart?
You have your ID on you?
Oh, there's a gun in here too. How old are you? Okay, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 20. Fuck here, bro.
How old are you?
Bro.
How old are you?
Ah!
How old are you?
Oh, bro, my eyes are twisted, bro. Bro, my IDs, everything's in there, sir.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 24.
You're 24.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Huh?
I'm good, sir. I'm not a felon, sir.
I'm not saying you are a felon.
I'm not. Don't treat me like I'm not nothing, bro. You saw me talking, bro. I don't have to get pepper spray.
Yeah, you did. Who are you? Are you related to this?
Nah, I'm their manager.
Their manager. Stop.
I can't see, sir. I can't see. Just take it off me, sir. I don't want you to kill me. Help! I don't want you to kill me. I don't want nothing to happen. I can't see, sir.
You are under arrest. Do not reach for the gun. Do not. I'm taking this off of you. I'm going to take this cuff off.
Go ahead.
Listen to me. Relax and listen to me.
Let me finish this.
I got my training coming. No, he's got a gun in his bag. I've got to.
Father, make sure you record. I got a gun on me. I don't want them to kill me. I got a gun on me. I don't want them to kill me, whoa.
Really?
Make sure I got me, whoa.
That's a lawyer of some. Does he need to go too? Is he trespassed as well?
I do not want to die, bro. Please, bro, please. I got a gun on me. I do not want to die. I just don't want to die.
Will you just relax and just...
My eyes is killing me, sir. You peppered me for no reason. How am I supposed to relax?
Okay.
I cannot breathe. You told me to relax. I can't even see. I cannot think right now, bro. I can't see who's on me, who's touching me, nothing,
okay,
bro. I was talking to you.
Stop.
It was good. But now you're not my dog. You said
yeah,
who
well, he's got a gun on him. I just want to get the gun off him, but it's all tangled in his...
Fair, bro.
Now you're not concealed anymore.
Okay.
Now you're not concealed.
Come on, let's walk.
That's crazy, bro. Damn, bro. For no reason, bro.
I explained the reason. You were told that you were trespassed. You refused to leave. You stopped. You turned around. You squared up to me. You got pepper sprayed. End of story.
Yo, these boys are dirty, bro. They said I squared up to him, whoa. Sir, why are you being like that? So the body cams are on, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Because I know I didn't square.
The cops are dirty, but you in there harassing people who's trying to go shopping. Are you got to be fucking kidding me. You got to be joking. They're dirty, but you're in there harassing innocent people for views. Are you serious?
Up to you, I'm good.
Okay.
Yo.
Let's go. Keep walking.
Damn, bro.
Alright, you come straight.
Y'all do anything for arrest.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna need them body cameras.
Okay, feel free. You're good.
Me and him was talking, but don't touch me no more, bro. You're not cool.
I'm good. I have every right to touch you. I have every right to touch you.
You do have every right, but you're not being fair though, for real. I didn't square it to you, bro. You know I came to talk to you regular, like a regular civilian. You just wanted to pepper spray me. You pepper spray hungry, whoa.
Go on, keep walking.
This man, bro, he was a bro. Please don't leave my side, bro. This man is gonna kill me, bro. Please don't leave my side, bro. Bro, please don't leave my side, whoa. This man's an evil, crooked cop, whoa. Talk to me. You know what I was talking to? So why do you say I squared up to this man, bro? You're not being fair, whoa.
He just needs his eye washed out. Slow
You're not
down.
being fair, bro. You let him say I squared up to him. If I'm talking to you regular, I start everybody down. We was talking, and then he went over there, and I ran to go stop, see what's going on. You know what's going on, bro? You let this man pepper spray me for no reason, bro. They not do nothing.
Boss man, have a seat. Have a seat.
I can't. How am I supposed to sit if I can't see? This nigga's
no, you're still on property. Hey, how about you all keep your voices down?
This nigga pepper spray me for no reason, bro. I cannot see, bro.
If he doesn't want to go to the paramedics, we have to back off. I'm trying to help you.
How fucking pain, bro?
Listen, I'm gonna touch your face. I'm gonna clean it up.
All
right.
Tripping,
hey,
bro.
do I have your permission?
Bro, if you're not the cop that pepper spray me, bro, you gonna kill me, bro.
Listen to me.
Bro, I cannot see, bro.
You're talking to the fire. Hey, you're talking to a rescue guy. Listen, do I have permission to touch?
The prankster was taken into custody where he was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. After this lesson, I hope he won't be pulling any Walmart pranks anytime soon.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.